Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open your Looker Studio report and click Edit to change data fields. Next, open the Data Source panel and locate the column that holds dates. Confirm that the field type reads date or date and time. If the field stores dates as text, create a parsed field using parse date, %y%m%d, date text, to convert it. Test the parsed field by viewing one sample value in the data source preview. Save the data source to apply the conversion before formatting steps. In the data source, click Add a field to create a new calculated date format. Name the field formatted date and use format date, %m/%d/%y, date field, for month first formatting. For a different style, use format date, %d%b%y, date field, to show day, month, year like 05 Sep 2025. If month names or ordering appear wrong, set the data source locale to the desired country. Save the new field and confirm its values in the preview before open a chart and replace its date dimension with the new formatted date field you created. If you need grouping, set the date granularity to day, week, or month for consistent aggregation. For time zone sensitive data, confirm the report time zone matches your source time zone. Preview the chart to ensure labels display as mm/dd/ei or your chosen format. Finally, refresh the report and click Save to keep the format applied across all viewers and sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.